Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, or good morning. So my name is Eric. Today I just want to share yung some of my, I guess, basic knowledge when it comes to soloing. So for example, you guys are, or to do a solo over a backing tracks or whatever, and then na-stuck kayo sa pentatonic scale. Uh, you can actually do another scale on top of the pentatonic scale. So hindi kayo limited din sa pentatonic scale, which is basically just a box, right? I'm gonna C sharp tuning. So for example, andito tayo sa B. So ito yung pentatonic scale na isa sa mga pentatonic scale na I'll do as an example. For example, ganito. So, naka C sharp to, so that's why it's out of tune. Kasi, it should be as a bar, played as a bar, or whatever. So, yun. So, yun yung, again, I'll show it to you guys. So, it should be... So, ganun yung pentatonic scale, one of the pentatonic scale. And, ang scale na pwede nyong ipatong sa kanya is yung Aeolian. I think it's an Aeolian. Okay. Yeah, it's an Aeolian scale. So, it should be like this. Sabi ulit tayo. So as you can see, it's a 3 note per string na. Hindi na siya yung 2 notes na pentatonic scale. But it should work as long as nasa parehas kayo na key nung backing tracks or song na you're trying to do a solo for. So, bis na ganito lang, pwede mo siyang gawin ganito. So, yung ganun. So, madalas sa ginagawa ko dyan is pinag-solo ko dun to. So, yun. So, that's one of the pentatonic scale that you can, modify, I guess, by putting another scale on top of it. So, yung kasunod na pentatonic scale nun is ganito. Sorry. So, ang pwede nyo naman gawing scale dito is, or ipatong na scale doon is, may kanta. So, ganun. If you guys want to, I guess, learn more about yung other this pentatonic scales, just comment down below. I'll probably do an in-depth or gawa ko ng bagong video for the other pentatonic scales and yung scales na pwede nyong ipatong on top, so you can have more options when it comes to soloing. So, yun lang guys, please subscribe and do like and share this video. Right? Bye.